guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to use, again like we did before, we're going to use dishwashing liquid. But we're going to do 4 flip cup and we're going to see what happens. I think it's going to be interesting. So let's go and try it and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go! So guys, I think the result is great. I think we have a nice finish. Well, as a matter of fact, I have to tell you that I think for me, the dishwashing soap, I'm gonna have a tongue twister, I'm gonna do something bad, but I think it's it's one of my favorite technique, or should I say my favorite product with the acrylic, because if we're not taking about that product, I like it with only water. That's the best way. Well, first, my most light technique, I think it's, like I said, only acrylic and water, but just under that, I think this one takes the cake. I think it's very nice. And I think that the fact that we recycle an old painting, that it was very dark, I think it's even better, because the darkness come over in some places, and I think it's great. I think it's a nice result. Like I said, I think the finish we have with our acrylic and dishwashing soap, I think it's very nice. I think it's something else. It's some kind of a space abstract or something like that. Either way, it's very nice. I hope you like it, guys, because like always in pouring or any kind of painting, it's always subjective. It's in the eyes of the beholder. One person will like it and the other one won't. So I think at least you have to try it if you like to do some pouring or any kind of painting, because at the base of it, like you know, I'm a realism artist. I paint almost every time in realism, but this time I have to say that it's a nice change to go in pouring and fluid pouring, and even flip cup for that matter. As you saw, my flip cup was not that great. I think it was a miss, a bust, but anyway, the finish is great, at least for me. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it. Like I said, it's something that it's really easy. You don't have to go overboard. You try it, and it's a question of balance and trial and error, because there's so much factor. It's not a copy and paste thing. You know, even if I say you take a little bit of that, a little bit, there's always a whole kind of factor that come into play, like the temperature of your room, the temperature of the water, the quality of the water, etc., etc. So guys, you have to try it, that's for sure. So guys, like always, don't forget to subscribe and come and join us on Instagram, as well as Facebook. It's always nice to share on a daily basis. And like always, guys, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.